Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new on this channel, please don't just click out. Don't watch and go. Please watch, like, share, comment, and stay. In fact, subscribe. Subscribe now. Subscribe. Yes, there is a reason why you need to subscribe. All right, thank you very much for subscribing, and thank you very much for coming back. If you're a returning subscriber, my G's, thank you. Okay, so today quickly I want to share with you how to create a YouTube banner. When I first started my YouTube channel, I used to think working with Canva templates is just the best. I would go on Canva, type YouTube banner, whatever it brings out, I'll follow the pattern and upload. Oh my God, headaches upon headaches. I keep on uploading and it's not falling in place. What's going on? What could I be doing wrong? Until I took a course on digital marketing. And under the section of that course, we have an aspect for YouTube training, YouTube marketing. And I saw so many things I was doing wrong and I was like, oh my God, oh no. So if you have not watched the video that I did some days ago about how to get Canva Pro, click on this link that is showing right here. Click on that link and go and watch the video. You really need to watch it because you need Canva Pro for a lot of designs, right? So quickly, without further ado, let me share with you how to get a YouTube banner. So if you come on Canva, right? But let's say I want to use this. I love rich stuff, professional stuff. Let's say I want to use this particular video, this particular thumbnail or banner. So if I click on it and I just edit some stuff from it to use as my YouTube banner, you would see what I'm saying here. I will not remove this picture right here. No, to save our time, let me just download this tips business subscribe, right? Let me just download this and upload on my YouTube channel. I'll be using this particular channel. There's this channel that I have only one subscriber, so I'll be using that channel to do this tutorial. So here is the YouTube banner, right? Let's upload it and see. Oh, okay, this one still works well, but you can see that some of the words are even out of the box. It's not the way it's supposed to be, whereas all the words are supposed to be at the center. So how are we going to do it? We head straight back to Canva. I am actually using YouTube Premium. So I have the normal YouTube, I have the YouTube Premium that I am using. And if you want to know how to get that, you would actually need to pay, and you just click on the link in the description, the one I said get pro version or pro version of all apps and software. Just click on that link and it will take you to where you would make the payment. Okay, so we are back to the channel. How are we going to now make it fit exactly the way it is here on our YouTube channel? It's very simple. You just go to your Chrome browser. On your Chrome browser, just type in YouTube template. YouTube banner template, right? So to show you different templates for YouTube banner. So you download any of this for your YouTube channel. So I'll be using this first one. You can use any of the templates actually. So after opening it, I'll download it. I'll download the template. And after downloading, I would head back straight to Canva. And the next thing I will do when I get to Canva is to upload that template. Yeah, here is where it gets interesting. To upload anything on your Canva, click on this plus button. So after clicking on the plus button, you move this the elements down here, the design element, text and all, you move them to where you have upload. So after clicking on the upload, click on the upload file, right? Then you go and pick the template that we just downloaded now. And by the way, if you want to learn digital marketing, click on the link in the description and it will take you to where you would need to purchase the course. The digital marketing course entails, it teaches a lot about brand identity, how to identify your target audience, email marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, how to A to Z of Facebook page and group settings, how to start and grow your YouTube channel, Pinterest marketing, Facebook retargeting, Google AdWords, Google Analytics, LinkedIn marketing and optimization, SEO, Quora marketing, and lots more. Email marketing, I don't know if I've mentioned it. So many things about that you will need to learn about digital marketing. So it's a full course. If you make purchase today, I'll add you to the group, and every weekend, every Saturday, we come together and discuss about what we have learned so far and how best we can implement this to our own advantage for growth. That being said, let's continue with the tutorial, please. So as we all see, it is done uploading. So you click on this right here and it's overlays on this. So what we want to do is to make it fit for this particular page. Make sure it is the same, like it's the same size. So after uploading and overlaying the YouTube banner templates that we downloaded, the next thing to do is to now go to this place where you see send backward, right? Send backward. You click on it. Click on it. Remember, we are not moving everything per se. We are only moving some things. Some things like this business. So there we can see that this business now needs to be resized. So we reduce the size while we still want it to be bold. This subscribe button and this one needs to be resized as well. So reduce the size of the tips. After you have reduced the size of this, then move the picture, move it, reduce it, right? Yes. So do I need to shift this to? Let me shift this side as well. No. Yes. Then this. Right. What else? I think this is all. So I will now delete that template. Delete. And here we can see every other thing that should have moved with it that did not move, like this other one which the template covered. We'll now have to move them by ourselves to be underneath this. Right. What else needs to be moved? Yes, this is fine. So now let's download it and re-upload to that same YouTube channel. Right. Let's see the magic. If you are getting value from this channel, from this video, please do me well. Do well to subscribe. It doesn't hurt. Honestly, it does not hurt. So we are going straight to YouTube to upload the same picture that we just, that's the same banner that we just downloaded now. Okay. You may not be able to do this on your own YouTube channel, this thing that I want to do, because I am able to do this because I'm using YouTube Premium. So you may not be able to do this, but if you also want to do it, you can click on the Get Pro version of all apps, any app at all, and software. You get premium version of it. You have access to be able to download it. Okay, so we can all see, let's see the obvious now. You can see the way this thing is showing right here. Everything big like this. Let me click on edit and re-upload the new one. So let's upload this, save, and let's see the magic now. Yeah, you can see. I think this looks more professional. So if you want to create a YouTube banner that would be, how will I put it now? Should I say that would be visible, that no matter what, if the person is checking from phone, if the person is checking with tab, with laptop, it will still capture all the information that you want them to see on your banner. You can use this method that I have taught you. So if you have gotten value from this, comment, share with your friends, and above everything, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you very much for staying through. Have a pleasant day till I come to you next time.